What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. Yeah, today we're keeping it simple. We're just gonna go out to get something to eat, maybe something to drink, or maybe something to snack on, some ice cream or something like that. But we're not quite sure yet as to what we're gonna be doing. But the game starts in a few minutes, so I'm gonna be watching that on my phone while I'm doing what I'm doing. All right, because I don't have access to actual TV with a live game going on, so I'm just gonna be doing that on my other cell phone while I'm maybe grabbing some ice cream or something like that. So I'll see y'all when we see y'all. All right, so keep watching.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please.
Yes, guys, you see that? 1-1 now, Yeah, man. Like I said, we can't get to watch the game right now, so we just have to keep track and see what I go on. But yes, we're back in business now. All right, y'all. So this is our first stop, Dulce Vita. We're gonna get some ice cream. All right. Our first stop is Dulce Vita, known for its delicious ice cream and gelato. The atmosphere here is relaxing and with so many flavors to choose from, making a decision wasn't easy at all. This is the rum and raisin, guys. It's not bad. Not bad at all. This is really good. So, this is how we decided to start the evening off. First stop, Dulce Vita, and we're gonna be heading on to the next stop. I don't know exactly where we're going after this, but it's gonna be something fun, so hopefully at least, all right?
Which one do you want?
How you doing?
Coffee rum.
Coffee rum? How is it?
Good.
Coffee rum. That's a nice combination. Yeah.
Italian coffee. I
No,
think they're
like the road.
Let's get 7-man strip.
Norman Manley Boulevard.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, guys, that was amazing. I was having a little bit of a rough morning, rough start to my day, but the ice cream put a nice little sweet taste for my vibes, give me a nice sweet flavor. So right now I'm feeling good, and my team is performing well right now, Brazil. So so far so good. So I'm gonna be heading off to the next spot, and then the next spot, and the next spot. All right, we're gonna be dropping by unlimited spots this evening. It's supposed to be a chill little vibe, so nothing crazy. All right, guys. Next stop, Chill Pops. Let's go. After enjoying our treat at Dulce Vita, we made our way over to Chill Pops to see what they had to offer. And one thing I love about exploring Jamaica is discovering places beyond the beaches and resorts. Sometimes it's the small local spots that create the best memories. Both locations offer something different, and by the end of this video, I'll let you know which one was my favorite. So I had the rum and raisin and coffee rum at Dulce Vita, and both were absolutely delicious. Then we stopped by Chill Pops and tried the rum punch and pineapple ginger popsicles, which were refreshing and full of flavor. Honestly, you can't really compare the two because they're both unique in their own way. One offers rich, creamy ice cream, while the other delivers refreshing island-inspired popsicle. If you're visiting Negril, Jamaica, I definitely recommend checking out both spots. Somewhere else like this. I'll go somewhere else. Alright, y'all, so now our next stop is gonna be at the supermarket. I'm gonna grab a few bottles of water before I head home. We might make another stop somewhere along the way, but you just gotta keep watching and you'll see exactly what we have planned for you guys.
Vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born for style. Girl, a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Vegan lifestyle, out there, out there.
Oh yes, it was a nice evening, well spent. Now we're about to go home and enjoy the rest of the night. Alright, so if you enjoy watching this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes, more Jamaican vlog, more lifestyle content, and boom, bam, love.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when the tease. Whoa.